4 months before, COVID 19 was just in a horror story or horror movie which we were watching far away. Now, COVID 19 is a part of our life. Our loved ones are impacted, our known ones are losing life to it. We paid our first COVID 19 claim. Today's episode, you will find out what is the correlation with COVID 19 and your life insurance policy, COVID 19 and your health insurance policy, what is covered, what is not covered. Welcome back. Your host Leena Parwani. Thank you for liking my videos and keep sharing your information and the comments which I really want in order to make my videos more informative for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for regular updates. We are talking today about the COVID-19. Since it is a part of our life, have you lost any close one? That's something really sad. I did lost some people closely, known people. It was not one of the illness where your people were losing their lives towards it. The topmost reason was to heart attack, cancer, and accidents. Now the COVID-19 is also added. COVID-19 became like a part of life. Now we have to live with it until unless we find some cure for it or some vaccine come over it. We don't know. What I know that I can share with you. How the COVID-19 is covered with your life insurance policy. Is it part of your critical illness plan? How it's going to impact a long term in your life insurance policy? Have you had COVID and now you want to buy a life insurance policy? How you can do that? What your health insurance policy covers for COVID? So let's look one by one at a time. Question number one. Is the COVID-19 part of a critical illness? No, it is not. This is a new illness, pretty unknown illness. It is still unknown the long-term impact of COVID-19. It is not part of your life insurance policies under that which you have a critical illness coverage. It is not yet being labeled as a critical illness. But yes, if that illness, if COVID impacts somebody's lungs and kidney, yes, then it becomes a part of your critical illness because your critical illness covers kidney and lung transplant, all these things. If that is impacted, then you are covered in your life insurance policy. If somebody is telling you, okay, buy a policy with COVID cover, please be very specific with them. What does it cover? Question number two, life insurance death cover. If you didn't have a critical illness, only life cover, will the death due to COVID will be covered? I did mention previously to a lot of my clients when they were asking me these inquiries, COVID-19 death, usually supposed to be, it's a pandemic, so pandemics are exclusions, but here insurance companies are covering death due to COVID. And I paid out my first claim on COVID for just 51-year-old guy, which is a very sad. So yes, your existing life insurance policies do cover COVID death as well. So you don't need to look into another new policy which tells you, guy, buy COVID cover into our policy. So if you have a life insurance policy from existing providers in UAE, it covers. Question number three. If you had COVID before and now you recover from that and you want to have a life insurance policy, can you have that? Well, the answer to this is if you have recovered fully, you can still apply for a life insurance policy. Insurance company will probably ask you a number of questions to make you qualify for a life insurance cover. Yes, the questions probably a little bit more and you might be exempted for a few more months for any critical illness coverage, but you can still have a life insurance policy on place. It's all depend on the amount of information and your health conditions. You can be a person who can have still a life insurance policy. Hospitalization benefit. If you have a hospitalization benefit in your life cover, let's say Zurich do provide a health hospitalization benefit cover, you can avail for it, you can request for the claim, and if you have been in the hospital bill will be paid as per your policy. How much cover you have it, you can get that money sorted. Question number four. So health insurance, how does health insurance cover my COVID test? Is my COVID test cover? I'm going for a test, it's not cover. What this policy will cover? UAE have a law with everybody must have a health insurance in place, right? So you do have a health insurance, whether it's a basic, whether it's enhanced or wonderful coverage, you have it. COVID tests are not covered in that. If you do not have a symptoms, it is not covered. But yes, if you have a symptom, then insurance company will cover that, because it will be applied at the center the way that person has a symptom, and doctor will put it into under your insurance policy. So that will be covered. And once the person is diagnosed as COVID and been kept for the quarantine or any treatment or any ICU treatment, the all cost will be covered under the health insurance policy as per the UAE law, as per the DHA. And by the way, Abu Dhabi is following a different structure. Abu Dhabi is actually covering everything for you anyways. You don't even need to worry about health insurance plans for that. Hope this information is useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and do send me comments. I do want to hear your feedback. It is important to me. I'm sharing my time with you. Your comments are super important to me. Please leave your comments. What you want to hear from me?